In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix WhatsApp login not available right now error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next thing you wanna do is check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is check date and time settings in your device. So launch settings, go to general, go to date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. Now you can head back, go to iPhone storage. From here, find WhatsApp and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Now head back, navigate to the option VPN and device management. In case you are connected to any VPN, you will need to disable it as these can interfere with WhatsApp login. Next up, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in WhatsApp service status, head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. So that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.